Hello and welcome to English classes. My name is Said Walid, and in today's lesson I'm going to teach you about the consonant sounds. Well, I have divided the consonant sounds into two parts. The easily pronounced consonant sounds such as p, b, t, and so on, and the less easily pronounced consonant sounds such as ch, sh, j, yeah, and so on. And in today's lesson, I'm going to teach you one of these consonant sounds, which belongs to the less easily pronounced consonant sound, and the sound is I know some of the sounds in IPA is not very easy to pronounce, but you need to practice again and again. In English, the letters N and G at the end of a word is always pronounced as in ing. If there is another syllable after G, sometimes G is pronounced and sometimes it isn't. Example, young, youngest. In the word young, we do not pronounce G, but in the word youngest, we pronounce G because there is another syllable after the letter G. In the word sinner, we do not pronounce G. Now, to check where we can pronounce G and where we should pronounce the sound ing, you need to check every confusing word in dictionary. To make the sound n and the air comes through your nose, your tongue is farther back in your mouth when you make the sound If you have problem pronouncing the sound put your tongue in a position where you pronounce the sound k, and then try to say n. Look how I pronounce the sound. Because most of my students have problem pronouncing the sound and which are completely two different sounds. I have prepared some examples to see how these two sounds at the end of words are pronounced differently. Examples: thin, thing, ban, ban, bang, win, wing, and roan, roan, which is a name, and wrong, wrong. In English, if we pronounce a word with the sound we write it with the letters N and G, or the letter N followed by K or hard C. Example: a string, a skating rink. Now all these words contain letters N, G, E, R, but they pronounce differently. Look at examples: sinner, anger, stranger. Let's do some practice with the sounds that almost have the same pronunciation but not exactly the sound ing. Example, the words such as thing, thing, and think. Pin, ping, pink. Ban, bang, and bank. You see, these words have different endings, different pronunciations. You shouldn't consider them as the sound ing. If you're willing to do more practice with these IPA sounds, you need to download the IPA phonemic chart from Google Play Store or App Store. Now at the end, I want to repeat these sounds once more. This sound ing is for the letter N and G. where you do not pronounce n and ing. Instead, you pronounce n. The air comes through your nose. Your tongue is further back in your mouth when you make the sound n. This not only for n and g at the end of the letters. You can find this sound in lots of different words. Now again, if you want to have the correct pronunciation of a word, please check every word in the dictionary once to make yourself 100% sure that you do not have any problem pronouncing them. Well, this is the end of today's lesson. I hope you have learned the sound ing. And if you want to continue following my videos, please subscribe, push the bell icon to be the first person to get the notification of the next video.